7 Alpha Bravo ground. Foxtrot November.
Foxtrot November, 7 Alpha Bravo. Ground, good afternoon, Delta 357, spot 5, taxi with Sierra.
United 517, make the right turn on Bravo. I need you to go down to Alpha 4 and then swing around back onto Charlie. So right turn on Bravo down to Bravo, Bravo 4.
There's a right on Bravo, then Bravo 4.
For United 517, my apologies, Bravo down to Charlie 4. United 517, Bravo down to Charlie 4, and then Charlie 7. Stop calling me, I'm talking to somebody else. United 517, Bravo to Charlie 4.
Bravo to Charlie 4, United 517.
Jesus fucking Christ. United, or Delta 357, you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Taxing out to 1 right via Charlie, Charlie 5, Bravo Delta, cross 26 right.
Charlie, Charlie 5, Bravo Delta, cross 26 right to 1 right, Delta 357.
About 1685, what's the gate?
Bravo 9.
And just Bravo and Delta Golf to the ramp.
Delta Golf for the ramp, Southwest 1685.